Hi, my name is Manuao Teaotonga and I'm the lecturer for the Diploma of Screen and Media Specialist Makeup at South Metro TAFE. This course is designed for those students that are wanting to work out in the industry in film, television, theatre, fashion or bridal as a makeup artist, hairstylist and wig stylist. So this is one of the highest levels of makeup qualification you can do in Australia. It's designed to take whatever skills you have to the next level, and we couple those with our industry focused units, which will allow you to be a fully rounded professional within the industry. I've been working in the industry for most of my life as a performer, and in the last 10 years I've been working backstage as a makeup artist, a makeup designer, hairstylist and wig stylist. I guess what's really unique about this course is that, again, we take those skills and we push them to the next level, but coupled with that, because I've worked within the industry, I've worked into the course skills that are only learnt within a classroom environment. So like how to work backstage, so backstage etiquette, how to work with a certain documentation that's required within the industry, how to collaborate successfully, how to time manage, and those kinds of things. You can't learn those online. You've got to be within that sort of environment to learn them. As a performer, I have created these wonderful networks with different production companies and people that allow me to take my students on work experiences so that they're able to get real life work placement to see what it's like to work within the industry. And I took my students out on work experience working at the Regal Theatre on the production of Xanadu. They worked on All Shook Up, which was a Hammer production at the Crown Theatre. They worked on Telethon, and my students had an opportunity to work with professional models for a runway fashion show. Some of the specific skills that the students will learn doing this diploma is beauty and bridal, particularly bridal. That's a big part of the makeup industry in Perth. Airbrushing makeup, specialised makeup, special effect makeup, hairstyling, wig styling, and some really important business units that will allow a student to go forward in the industry, including networking. One of the units is specific about how to network yourself as a professional. And that's all within 15 units within the diploma, which runs for 2 days a week for 12 months. The beauty about the course is that because it has so many different units which will allow you to be a well-rounded makeup artist, hairstylist, it also allows you to make a choice if you are wanting to specialize in a particular area of the artistry. The great thing about this course is even if you aren't wanting to work out there in the industry, if you're not looking at shooting for the stars and working for film, television or theatre, but you want to just take your skills to the next level to work as an independent makeup artist, a freelancer, this course will give you those skills and give you that choice to be able to make if you are wanting to go either way. So if you're looking to enroll, head to the website and search for Diploma Screen and Media Specialist Makeup. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you in the course.